Let's start to work in a real. If we have a road, one road like this, another one like this. If we want to create a pipeline here, so how we will create? So from the same home tab, we will go to pipe network, create pressure network from object. There you can see the X-rep also the option. So I will select the network direction. It has come for a network direction. Okay, reverse same like the alignment we are creating. You can select the polyline. You can select the feature line or alignment and then okay. Okay. Now this dialog box appear. The network name. I will write the network name. This suppose I will write water. In the description you can write anything. This pipe on one and the list of water 150 the layer the reference surface. I will select this reference surface then create surface profile follow the reference alignment is let's say it's main road, this main road, or if you don't know sorry this one. Okay, this horizontal offset, the plus value on the right side, the minus value on the left side. So let's say I am creating on the right side and this 2 meter. So inside the median, I will create. Let's say I will create an 1 meter. The cover depth. The cover depth is 3 meter. You can write anything. Mostly 0.8 to increasing. Okay, use vertical elevation. You can elevation outside top, crown, center line, and what like you can use this one. So erase this entity. I don't want to erase this entity, and then click OK. And now you can see here this appear here. If you want to change this, go to property, just select the pressure pipe, and from here select the double line apply and okay. Now the one line creating on the right side. From here, already we have discussed these things. You can increase or decrease or move down like from here. Okay. So as you can see, up to the last of the alignment we have created. Okay. Now let's create for the other side also for this road. So you will connect with this one. So again, now you will click here. Okay, from the here as you can see, create vibrant from object, and I will select this object. This okay. The direction of the same I will select to water across the same main road reference alignment is this one. Then the main road, the sub road, horizontal distance, let's say 1.5 meter on the right side, 3 meter cover, and okay. Select this one and run. Okay. Now from here, as you can see in the line, you can attach this one. The symbol, because I have created the new drawing this one, so you must go to the setting from here as you pressure pipe network parts. It's because of this water, so just go here and the setting, just select the page they are displayed in actual and okay. And now you can see here it's appeared. So like this you can create the horizontal alignment file. As you can see, it will be end of the you can use this gloves elbow to add fitting like where you want. Okay, so when you click on the like you can see here the pipe run profile. You can create the pipe run profile. You can okay. General. As you can see, there are two options: the offset and bend, the cut length. Let's create first this offset and bend. The reference surface is for the PK surface. So the same. If you have surface update dynamically 3 meter, already we give the depth offset distance 3 meter. Okay, and draw update profile. Already we don't have. If you have already created, then create new profile and click OK. The same process as we are creating profile in Civil 3D. Journal this setup, like you can select the profile style, station range, profile view, the display. In the display, if you see here, there are two: pipe run profile is profile, the invert level, and the TR, this one surface. This is my natural ground. So what will I do for the profile? The label, I will select, let's say, this no label is better because this is not label. And for the uh, natural ground also, this no, we don't need a label. If you need label, you can put here, but this is not the existing. If this one, this is not the existing. This is design profile. So I will select design profile. There are many options, but it must not be the same as existing ground. So I select the design profile. Okay. Then next, this thing you can select the thing we are using here in profile, the bands, the below bands, where you can adjust here already, from the profile. And then next, we create profile there. Okay, I will create here. Let's say I will create here. Okay, because the surface is going outside the alignment, I draw is outside the surface. So what will I do? I will decrease the length of the alignment up to here. And now I will also decrease the pipe length from here. Now check the profile. Okay, the depth skip is 3.3 meter or 3 meter, as we mentioned here. The natural aggression ground you can select, and you can change from the same like when we have made changes. But here, if I click on this profile and go to you see there is many options. And for property, edit properties, like if you select second time profile, so you have the PVIs here, you can change here. But if you want many PVIs appear here, what should you do? Just select the file here. So you can see there is option, and click again. Okay, now we'll go to run profile. Okay, from the run profile, you can see it was offset address. Just create the cut length and let it update. Okay. Now it exactly where the natural ground is going up and down. It's the same process. This one I shifted the one, so it's showing the one. Okay, so in the cut length, you can see according to our 5 cut length, it's creating the profile. And the other thing, in this profile, if you click on profile, you have many PVIs available here. There are a lot of PVI. You can change according to that PVI. You can move up and down. So you can move from here. Suppose uh, let's change some place here. If I will change, suppose this area, what will happen if I go to Python and there is a override option? If you click here, it's showing that this area have been override. So you can change the from the station, the reference, and this if you want to move this to original how it was before. So just press this one and click OK, and it will restore to original position. Okay. The next thing, if suppose we have bypassing here. So that I will click here and let's check the change the elevation according to this one. Suppose I need to change this one, then this area, if you see this area, I need a PVI. So from here add PVI band and just click where you want to add, and it will create a PVI band according to that one. Okay. Now when I add this almost 100 station, if I came here and check the 100, you will see it added the, select this one, this pipe, and just select, and I go to object viewer. Zoom this one. From the front, if you see from the front, because the wheel of this one, as you can see, it added according to that one the PVI to the profile. So like this you can add if somewhere you have pipe passing in the profile, you can make like this one. Also you can create another profile. Suppose if you have just create here in this area, one pipe is here and this other one is here. So for that just click here and go to create profile, name this let's this lowering dash one, and the design we don't need label, that's okay. And here just draw a tangent starting from this point. Let it start from this point, it's here like this, then it's go like there, and from here it's connected to this point. Okay. Now I have created another profile for this pipe run. So what will I do? I will click on the run. I will go to pipe run. From the override, as you can see, I will create another one, and here you have here. You can check this one. So what will I select? I will select what I give name lower run one. The depth already I have created down, so this will make 0, and clean up PVI, and then okay, the start station. Let's select the start station, this one. Maybe I did not select the right, so I will select the start station. I will zoom this area in this one, and the end station. Now click OK. Okay. Now you can see the pipe change to this one. So then again I add the PVI to this place where you want. The same process. Okay, so like this you can create where you have a lowering or you have pipe crashing this one. So from the profile from the plan you can see this almost between the 300 here. So in this area, if you select this line, just right click object, go to object viewer, and from the this side, let's check it's from the front side. So the profile is like this one as we have created. So like this you can create the profile and a plan for the five front, and you can edit many things inside this one. The vertical geometry, this must be already we have discussed this in the profile. So this was today video. Hopefully you will practice on it. Okay.